Hey beauties, welcome back to Beautyistic, where we explore the latest and greatest in makeup and skincare with honesty, expertise, and a dash of fun. Today I've got my hands on the Too Faced Born This Way Soft Blur Flexible Finish Setting Powder in shade 02 Medium. It's a pressed matte finish powder designed for all skin types. And yes, it's both vegan and cruelty-free, which is always a win in my book. Right out of the box, the compact feels lightweight and travel-friendly, perfect for tossing in your bag for touch-ups. The powder itself promises a soft focus effect, blurring imperfections while setting your makeup without leaving a cakey or heavy finish. Ingredients are thoughtfully curated for a smooth application and long-lasting wear. In my testing, I found it incredibly easy to blend, whether I used a fluffy brush for an all-over setting or a denser brush for more targeted areas. The texture is silky but not powdery, and it genuinely helped minimize the appearance of pores without drying out my skin. One thing I loved is how it performed under different conditions. Through a full day of work and even a brief outdoor stroll, my makeup stayed put without excess shine creeping through. Of course, nothing's perfect. While the coverage is excellent for setting and blurring, it's not a foundation substitute. So if you're looking for heavy-duty coverage, you'll still need your base. And because it's pressed, the compact can pick up fingerprints or smudges, but that's a minor cosmetic quibble. Now the pros. It's lightweight, easy to blend, mattifying without being drying, vegan, and cruelty-free. The cons? Limited shade range if you're outside the medium spectrum, and as mentioned, it won't replace foundation for more coverage-intensive needs. Considering its price point, I'd say it's a solid investment. The formula feels premium, and a little goes a long way, so this tiny 0.17 ounce can last quite a while. If you've tried other soft focus powders, this one competes strongly with higher-end options, giving you comparable blur and longevity without the overly heavy feel. The compact is well made, sturdy enough for travel, and the powder itself doesn't crumble easily, which speaks to its quality. I haven't had to reach out to Too Faced support, but their reputation for customer service is generally positive, so any issues should be handled smoothly. If you're curious about alternatives, there are some budget-friendly soft focus powders out there that do a decent job, but I find this one hits the sweet spot between luxury and practicality. So what's the final verdict? Too Faced Born This Way Soft Blur Powder delivers a lightweight, flexible matte finish that blurs imperfections beautifully. It's perfect for anyone who wants a natural, polished look without a heavy, cakey feel. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for stopping by Beautyistic today. If you've tried this powder, drop a comment below and share your thoughts. I love hearing from you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.